This no-bake chocolate pie tastes just like the ones Grandma made. It has just 4 ingredients and pure chocolate bliss in every bite. And it all starts with chopping up 20 Oreo cookies. Now we did these in a little food processor. You just chop them up and you basically want to turn them to dust. Don't worry about the fillings, it'll mix right in.
And if you don't have a food processor, put them in a Ziploc bag and get your anger or your aggression out with a rolling pin. Just beat the cookies until they're basically dust.
After that, you're going to mix that dust with a 1/4 cup of melted butter. And this is what you're going to use to make your crust. So just stir that up real well.
And while you're stirring, make sure you don't have any little pieces or lumps of butter that didn't melt. You want to make sure that it is all completely melted so that you have a nice firm crust.
It's real easy to create the crust also. Just pour your crumb and butter mixture into your pie plate, and then either using a spatula or your fingers, just press it into shape into the bottom of the pie plate. What do you think about using your fingers?
I like to use the spatula or like the back of a spoon first to kind of form it, and then I use my fingers or my hands to fill in certain places.
Set it aside in the refrigerator to solidify. While that's going on, it's time to make the filling. On your stove, mix 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream with 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate.
Now you could use a bar of semi-sweet that you had chopped into small pieces, or you can use the chocolate chips.
And then throw in a 1/4 cup of butter. And you're going to heat this over a low to medium low heat.
And you want to stir constantly.
You do not want this to burn.
Nobody wants scorched milk or scorched or burned chocolate.
But when it's done, you're going to come out with a very, very rich and almost decadent, silky, smooth chocolate filling.
I mean, look at how shiny that is. That's what you're looking for, is you're looking for that shiny, almost glazed look. And the kitchen smells so good right now.
Now, while you've been making your filling, your pie crust has been in the refrigerator. It's time to pull it out and simply pour that filling into your pie crust. Make sure to use a spatula to get all of the goodness out of your pan.
Because if you don't, you might be tempted to just take a spoon and scoop a little bit out of that pan and test it for yourself.
And then after that, smooth the top and then back into the refrigerator it goes. And you want to leave it in there for at least 2 hours. You want it to solidify. And it might be even better if you left it in there 4 hours to overnight.
And it gets really, really cold, and I think that's the beauty of it, is that it's a cold pie, and it's just, this pie is absolutely my favorite piece of chocolate pie that I've ever had.
So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things. And watch this video next for another great recipe from Ghost Host Kitchen.
Bye.